Hi everyone, we want to do something on Vlookup today. So Vlookup is basically a function in Excel that it helps you to look up data based on the reference value, making it useful for retrieving information from the data set or the spreadsheet. So basically is what you tell Excel to do, Excel is going to do for you. And you just need to upgrade yourself. You need to be familiar with all these functions so that they can be at the tip of your hand. So luckily, the new Excel makes it easier for you to work on them because immediately you click on a function, it brings what you need to do with the function. So VLOOKUP is one of the most commonly used function in Excel. So we just have to go through it. So it has some do's and some don'ts. But let's say, for example, now this is a big pool of a data set. This is just something I formulated myself so that we can just have a glimpse of what VLOOKUP is all about. So let's say, for example, now this data set is over 1,000 and I want to do something. I've been given, okay, Peace, Keyboy, Alima, I should look for their occupation. It's quite difficult for me to be checking individually. Oh, what is the occupation of Peace? Oh, what's the occupation of Keyboy? Oh, what's the occupation of Alima? And that is why VLOOKUP has been built to make it easy for you to be able to retrieve any information you need from a pool of a data set. So let's say, for example, now I want to check for the occupation of Peace in this data set. So it goes this way, equals to VLOOKUP. So like I said, it already brought out, okay, the lookup value, I need a table array, I need a column index number, and I need a range lookup. Although we believe that anything in a square bracket in Excel is not a must. Like you can decide to put it and you can decide not to put it. But in my own opinion, I always try to make sure that my formula is complete so that I don't have any error response or something. So let's say VLOOKUP. What is our lookup value? We are looking up for piece. And the table array, so which is the pool and the data sets you are trying to retrieve your information from. So it's from all these. And the column index number. So basically when you're using VLOOKUP, you need to put numbers on each column. So and it starts from 1. So name will be 1, phone number will be 2, occupation will be 3, ID number will be 4. If we have other things, the numbering continues until the end of the data and what you want to look up for. So in this case now, the column index number of what we are looking up, what are we looking for? We are looking for occupation, right? So the column index number of occupation is 3, right? So this is name is 1, phone number is 2, occupation is 3, ID number is 4. So we put the 3. And then the range lookup is asking, is it the approximate? In case you are working with numbers, like you give 15 to 20, in that case, you'll be looking for approximate, which is true. But in this case, we are looking for exact job of P's. We are not looking for approximate. We are not looking for something that is closer to it. We are looking for that same thing. So in this case, we'll pick on false. So false, and we'll close our brackets, and that's it. So this is doctor, and if we fill it up, so Keyboy is pilot, Alima is Aka. So a brief assignment for you guys. Just have your hand and so let me say look up for Miriam, look up for Victoria, and look up for Messi. Look up for I wanted to get their phone numbers. Thank you. Bye. See you next class.